Hello and welcome back to the channel, everyone. And if you're new here, hello and welcome. This is Motor Mike Media, and as always, I'm Motor Mike, and today, well, I want to say thank you. Today we hit 100 subscribers. I'm so happy. I want to thank everyone who's ever subscribed or even just watched my videos. It's a big step for me. Like I said, my overall goal is to get to 1,000 plus, but 100 is very important. From the bottom of my heart, I want to say thank you. I have some friends that have been supporting me. I've met some people in the comments here and throughout my videos. My friend in Poland that's doing his Jeep video. There's some Russian guys in California that are pretty crazy, and I'm very excited if they're going to get that UAZ Patriot, or Patrol I should say, that's coming here to America soon. A lot of people here, and I want to give a shout out to The Cam, K-A-M. They were the 100 subscriber. I actually just got done filming stuff outside. I came inside and was making a Patreon, and then I saw the 100 subscribers. So I finished the Patreon, I came up here and make this video. Just thank you again. And the Patriot is now live today. It's funny how things all worked out like that. But I actually have 3 tiers. Tier 1 is a 4-cylinder tier. It's a $1 donation. It helps me with camera gear. I've got this broken light over there that I kind of have rigged up there. But that will help video equipment, cameras, lights, project cars with parts, getting the project vehicles and tools and stuff like that. The second tier is V6 tier. It does all that stuff, helps me out, but you guys will get exclusive early content from the videos. Whenever someone gets into the second tier or the third tier, I'll stop making videos for the YouTube, and they'll be delayed by about a day. Some videos might be even more, so you get early access with Patreon. And then the V8 tier, that's the good old VIP tier. You'll get the early access, as well as your names will be at the end of the description for all of my videos. It's just a way of helping me in the videos, and if you get that V8, you'll have your name there, which would be a cool thing. But once again, thank you. I'm a little overwhelmed with emotions right now, so I apologize if this video is not the best stuff, but I also have a channel update for you guys. I want to know from you guys, what do you want to see more of from the channel? Do you want more outdoor stuff, getting my hands dirty? Do you want to see a little bit more of the interior stuff where I'm just sitting here talking about vehicles? What do you guys want to see more of? I would really like to know your input. I have detailed videos planned, going out there showing you products that are good, how to get rid of stains, how to clean stuff, how to do some small repairs. I want to do gadgets, where I get gadgets from Amazon and other companies and test them, see if they're actually worth their ratings online. A lot of little things. I'm trying to do some reviews with some newer cars soon, as well as getting even more cars, not only for project vehicles, but like old car reviews as well. A little bit of everything. But I'm just very thankful for everyone. And like I said, if you want to do that Patreon, I'll leave a description down below for you guys. It'll actually be in the little banner of my overall page for YouTube, so you'll see it right there in the corner. But please, if you haven't already and you want to, check out my YouTube channel. I keep trying to give you guys more and more content. I talk about cars, trucks, crossovers, and SUVs, combustion engines, and EVs, a little bit of everything. But please, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you guys can stay up to date with the latest and greatest from my channel. And as always, I'm super, super appreciative of everyone, and I'll see y'all in the next one.